Climate of India, 10th class, chapter 4, bits part 2, social studies, English medium. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it. Which state gets most of rainfall due to northeast monsoons? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Correct answer, Tamil Nadu. The equatorial zone is otherwise called temperate zone, polar zone, tropical zone, Mediterranean zone. Correct answer, tropical zone. The atmospheric conditions seen for how many years is called climate? 25 years, 30 years, 1 year, 5 years. Correct answer, 30 years. The state of atmospheric conditions over an area at a particular time refers to temperature, weather, atmosphere, climate. Correct answer, weather. Highest temperate area from the following: Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Jaipur. Correct answer, Jaipur. The average temperature drops as we go away from poles, equator, sea coast, prime meridian. Correct answer, equator. Retreating monsoon gives rainfall to this coast: Konkan coast, Utkal coast, Coromandel coast, Canara coast. Correct answer, Coromandel coast. The southern peninsular plateau is surrounded by rivers, lakes, land, seas. Correct answer, seas. Which of the following places faced several droughts during 1943 to 1945? Chennai, Rajasthan, Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer, Bengal. Western disgraces is boon to this crop, which cultivated in Rabi season: watermelon, wheat, jowar, paddy. Correct answer, wheat. What is the envelope of air surrounding on the earth? Atmosphere, biosphere, troposphere, stratosphere. Correct answer, atmosphere. Which layer protects us from ultraviolet rays from the sun? Troposphere, stratosphere, ozone, all. Correct answer, ozone. Rain shadow region during southwest monsoon is Deccan Plateau, Delhi, Jaipur, Konkan coast. Correct answer, Deccan Plateau. The state that gets maximum rainfall in India is Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer, Meghalaya. Northeast monsoon gives bulky rains to Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer, Tamil Nadu. Monsoon burst first take place in Goa, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, Kerala. The period of retreating monsoon is June to September, October to November, January to February, August to November. Correct answer, October to November. The maximum rainfall occurs in Jaipur in the month of February, March, May, June, July, August, June, July. Correct answer, July, August. The average temperature in Jammu Kashmir in the month of January 25 degrees, 15 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degree. Correct answer, 10 degrees. We observe 20 degrees temperature in the following states: Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. We find average temperature of 30 degrees in the month of May in this state: Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, Rajasthan. Correct answer, Rajasthan. The map shows onset of southwest monsoon, withdrawal of southwest monsoon, onset of southeast monsoon, entering of monsoon in Arabian Sea. Correct answer, withdrawal of southwest monsoon. Plants use this gas to make a proteins: nitrogen, oxygen, methane, carbon dioxide. Correct answer, nitrogen. Rapid rate of increasing Earth's heat is called atmosphere, global burning, global warming, global heat. Correct answer, global warming. According to traditional Indian seasons, November and December are called Hemant Rut, Sisir Rut, Vasanta Rut, Grishma Rut. Correct answer, Hemant Rut. According to traditional Indian seasons, May to June months are called Hemant Rut, Sisir Rut, Vasanta Rut, Grishma Rut. Correct answer, Grishma Rut. Expand IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, International Governmental Panel on Climate Change, International Governmental Panel on Climate Charter, Intergovernmental Program on Climate Change. Correct answer, A. Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Cyclonic depressions in Bay of Bengal are common in this season. Northwest monsoon, southwest monsoon, southeast monsoon, retreating monsoon. Correct answer, retreating monsoon. Monsoons arrives India by the beginning of this month. July, August, June, September. Correct answer, June. Monsoons forms between these latitudes 20 degrees north and 20 degrees south latitudes, 25 degrees north and 25 degrees south latitudes, 28 degrees north and 28 degrees south latitudes, 20 degrees north and 20 degrees north latitudes. Correct answer, 20 degrees north latitude and 20 degrees south latitudes. Correct answer, A. The aim of IPCC to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, to increase the emission of greenhouse gases, to increase the global warming, to increase the fossil fuels. Correct answer, to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. The word monsoon was coined by Roman traders, French traders, British traders, Arab traders. Correct answer, Arab traders. Atmospheric conditions over a large area over many years is called weather, climate, atmosphere, none. Correct answer, climate. In India, the north part of the Tropic of Cancer lies in this zone: tropical zone, territorial zone, temperate zone, polar zone. Correct answer, temperate zone. Darjeeling have pleasant climate than Kolkata during summer because Darjeeling is located on higher altitude. Darjeeling is located on sea coast. Kolkata is located on hilly areas. None. Correct answer. Darjeeling is located on higher altitude. Although Simla and Delhi are located on the same latitude, Simla is cooler than Delhi because Delhi is located on foot of the Himalayas. Simla is situated on higher altitude. Delhi is located on hilly areas. None. Correct answer. Simla is situated on higher altitude. This is not a factor of influencing on climate and weather. Land-water relationship, latitude, relief, upper air circulation, longitude. Correct answer, longitude. This is not an element of climate. Temperature, precipitation, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity. None. Correct answer, none. Above three options are elements of climate.